if you're about to drop €1,400 on the S25 Ultra this Black Friday. Close the tab right now. Samsung just quietly confirmed 4 massive Galaxy S26 Ultra upgrades that make the S25 look ancient already. One of them is a bigger battery, rumor that literally every big channel is repeating, and I'm proving in the next 60 seconds it's 100% fake. If you hate wasting money, do not buy anything until you finish this video. Like already if you're not getting scammed today, let's jump in. First, the battery lie everyone fell for. Some random Chinese tipster dropped a post saying the S26 Ultra is finally moving from 5000 to 5200 mAh. Sounds amazing, right? It's not happening. Galaxy Club, ICE Universe, regulatory filings, every single reliable source still lists 5000 mAh. We're 6 weeks from launch. Samsung does not change battery capacity this late. I'm 99% sure it's staying exactly the same. That 1% doubt only exists because they did shock us last month by killing the Edge and bringing back the Plus. But a battery swap? No chance. Don't let clickbait ruin your wallet. Next, titanium black is finally getting the glow-up we deserve. This time the frame is full black, not the usual silver. S25 Ultra had a black frame version, but it was online only. On S26 Ultra, black on black is the main retail color. It looks insane, until you notice the black frame makes the bezels look a hair thicker. Still one of the cleanest designs Samsung has ever done. Third, we finally have real dummy units in hand. Corners are rounder than the S25 Ultra, but not iPhone round. It keeps that boxy Ultra personality. Downside for S Pen users. Because of the new curve, you can't just slam the pen in anymore. You actually have to line it up with the slot now. Not the end of the world, but if you live on your S Pen, you'll feel it every single day. Fourth and biggest shock, Bixby is actually coming back, and it might not suck. Samsung is teaming up with Perplexity AI for the S26 series. Here's how it works. Bixby handles the simple on-device stuff, timers, toggles, basic commands. Perplexity jumps in for the heavy lifting, complex reasoning, generative answers, all that ChatGPT level magic. It's literally the exact same playbook Apple is using with Siri right now. Funny enough, Apple is reportedly planning to ditch ChatGPT and swap in Gemini later. 2026 is going to be the wildest AI fight we've ever seen. Quick reality check, generative photo editing and most Galaxy AI features will still run on Google's engines, and that's a good thing, because they're still the best. Samsung is just giving us options now. As long as they don't force Bixby and let us pick Gemini if we want, I'm happy. Before I go, Samsung's Black Friday deals are actually stupid right now. Z Fold 7 is €600 off with double storage, S25 Ultra €440 off. Watch 8 Classic down €200, links in description. Check on desktop because mobile sometimes hides the full discount. Real question, are you skipping the S25 Ultra completely now and waiting for the S26? Or grabbing the S25 while it's cheap? Drop your answer below, I read every single comment. If this video saved you money, smash the like button, subscribe, turn on notifications. I drop leaks like this every week. Catch you in the next one.